Hello, I am about to film a video for my Datev Gallagher channel, and I have a good feeling today because there's a storm coming, it's windy out, and I think maybe, I don't want to jinx it, but maybe the smoke will finally be blowing out of here. It's definitely like a mysterious day out. It looks like it might rain. Let's hope for rain. Look who finally climbed up on his new little toy. Odin is getting very frustrated because he wants to do it with Isabel. You learn about the birds and the bees on the farm.
Alright, these guys are being rambunctious today. Look at this. Look at these two. Marco, show us what you got. Oh! Olaf, what you doing? Whoa! Whoa! Are you performing for the camera? Oh! Keep on going. Olaf, what you got, buddy? Let's see it. Are you guys playing hide and seek or something? Is this a game of tag? What you got, Olaf? Come on, I know you're better than that. You guys are crazy! You guys are crazy! What do we have here? Can you guys take a guess? It's little Betty, and she's sitting on her eggs. I don't know how well you can see her. She's sort of hidden in that pumpkin patch, but I think it's so cool. She's sitting on about 8 eggs right now. The little girl, she's hidden herself.
Emmett, what was your super good news today?
Mom,
Show her?
Mom, I'll show her.
Okay, hold on, let me get it open.
He wants to show us.
Hold on, Baba. Sit down. We got
Look at that. What does that mean?
100% on tax.
On task?
Yeah.
That means you did 100% of a good job today at school?
Yeah.
That is such
And
good news.
I
Congratulations.
have
yeah.
Emmett did a great
It
job at
says you
school
were on
today.
task, you were being a thinker, you were following directions, and you were working hard.
Mom, can you
Great job, Emmett.
Everyone,
Keep
congratulate
it them all.
Emmitt
We're very proud of him.
in the comments.
And now we're going to dinner for Jeannie's birthday
Buckle up, kiddo.
at Kelly's favorite restaurant.
It's very exciting. It's like
And it's my least favorite
I'm
restaurant.
guessing you
It's your least
suggested this.
favorite? What's your
I did it,
favorite?
honestly.
Who did?
McDonald's
Could've
and
guessed that one.
tacos.
Mom.
Emmitt! What you...
Kevin didn't do the middle thing really well.
Wait, why isn't it... Emmitt! Emmitt!
Hey, Em.
Emmitt!
Mama wants you.
Emmitt! What do you got on there? Are those your Harry... Hey, Emmitt! Are those your Harry Potter glasses? You are such a little booger. Oh, a second. Oh, that's a throw right there. Oh. Hey, good job, Emmitt.
He looks so small over there.
Happy birthday, dear Jeannie. Happy birthday to you. All right.
If you guys have ever wondered how I plan one of my videos, this is how I do it. It's like a little mixture of a storyboard and a script in a notebook, and I go through these notebooks very fast. I'm recording the dialogue right now with my little Zoom H1. It's what I use for the audio. I'm recording my voiceover for my Lavender Tea video I shot today. I ordered Kevin 2 birthday presents, and here's one of 2. Who wants to take a wild guess at what it is? Here, I'll show you a reference so you know how big the box is. I don't think any of you will be able to guess it, but maybe you will. You definitely know he likes this. You can pick up the box once and see if you can guess what's inside. Even though I really don't want you to get it right. Pick it up once.
I don't know, it's probably like 15 pounds. 10 pounds, I don't know.
Good news. We just walked out to the little house and I could see the stars in the sky, which means that it's probably less smoky because you can't see them when it's smoky out. I really want it to be clear tomorrow. I can't stand this anymore. I want to go for a run and I want to be outside. It's still windy out. I can hear it. I can hear it rustling around. Please, please, please. Well, I kind of look like a zombie because I forgot I had makeup on. I've been rubbing my eyes this entire time. Kevin and I were out here and I was watching my show with headphones on. And he was watching his show so that we could sit next to each other, but still watch our own shows. That's how much we like to be together. We're gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow we might have some fun guests visiting us.
Fun.
Fun is the key word. We'll see, maybe. We're gonna go to sleep. I hope you guys have an awesome morning, afternoon, night, wherever you are in the whole world. We will see you tomorrow.